In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to fix Instagram not letting you log in, you need to make sure, of course, that you are using the correct email, phone number, username, and password. If you're not sure, tap forgot password and follow the steps to get a login code. If your login info is correct, but Instagram still shows you an error, you need to check to see if Instagram is down. So go ahead and back out of Instagram, open up a web browser, search is Instagram down, and then just see from Down Detector if there is a spike in Instagram being down. It looks like it's about usual right now, which means in this case, it wouldn't be down. If the Instagram servers are down though, you usually need to wait until they do fix it. Also go ahead and check your internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If that still doesn't work, reinstall or reset the app. On an iPhone, open up your settings and then you need to scroll down, select general, and then go ahead and find iPhone storage on here. Then search for Instagram and then open that up and you need to select offload app and reinstall it. On an Android, you just got to clear the Instagram cache, delete the app, and then reinstall it from the Play Store. Once Instagram is reinstalled, open it back up, try logging in like usual, and you should be good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.